This is an example of how simple and revolutionary ritual can be. Take a breath in and out, and in and out. And know that right where you are is sacred ground, is a holy foundation. Right where you are is a faith space. There's nowhere you need to go or be or become, just right here. That right here, right now, we do the work. We channel any layers of privilege we have and we put them to work. We utilize them with purpose. The two main modes of ritual are releasing and calling in. And you often need to go hand in hand. And on a new moon is a great time, and especially on this one, there is death, there is release, there is transformation. And it is so important that we still plant seeds of the world we want to manifest and make real.